How to hide online status in WhatsApp. So if you want to hide your online status in WhatsApp, then first of all you have to open up your WhatsApp application. And after opening your WhatsApp, now you can go to the upper right corner which has a three dots icon, and now tap on settings. And under settings you will have a bunch of options, so you can go to privacy, which is on the second option, and again here you will have a bunch of options. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now if you want to hide your online status, then you can go to last seen and online, which is on the first option, and from here you can tap on nobody, and that's it. That's how you hide your online status in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.